guys, it's Abraham from Fitted here. Today we're talking about how to roll the sleeves of your shirt. So as we know, business casual is super hard and confusing, and one of the easiest ways to take a dress shirt and turn it into something a little bit more casual is to roll the sleeves of the shirt. Now, the problem with this is that it often ends up looking messy. So today we're gonna go through my favorite roll, which basically is the same roll. You can take it to two different heights and it'll allow you to get a bit of a different look. And it's really great for if you're typing at a computer or just creating a more relaxed look and feel with your shirt. It works on relaxed dress shirts like this, a chambray shirt, or on more formal dress shirts like even a white formal two-ply cotton or something like that.
For the forearm roll, you start by unbuttoning the cuff, leaving the gauntlet button done up in this circumstance. You then fold the cuff up at the point that it meets the sleeve, and then fold it on itself once to create a strong foundation. Continuing this process, make sure to roll the circumference of the shirt each time all the way around. This version ends just before the elbow. For the bicep roll, you start by unbuttoning both the cuff and the gauntlet buttons this time. Following the same process, roll the sleeve up your arm, but this time taking it above your elbow. For a more relaxed look, you can stop just after the elbow, which will create bunching around the bicep. For a cleaner look, you can roll the cuff up one more time,